Hello, today I will show you how we can make this effect. So now I am writing these words and now choose one word into one slide. So like this, and download as PNG with transparent background. So do the same steps with all the words. Now let's upload all the pictures to the Canva. Take pictures and drag it. Now we will adjust it. So let's choose the first one and go to Edit Image, Shadows Effect, Glow, and here we can adjust transparency, blur, and size. The color, and click Apply. And once again, I will choose black color and adjust it. And the size make a little bit bigger, 25, and click Apply. And now I will make the same steps with all my pictures. So I'm choosing picture, go to Edit Image, Shadows, Glow Effect. Once again, I'm choosing the color and transparency make 100, blur 100, and size 40. Click Apply, and once again to Shadows, Glow, blur 0, and size 30. And do the same steps. So we adjust all the words. Now we can play with it and resize. So we have picture. Now we can download it. Transparent background. Take the picture and drag to our Canva. So now I'm adding page. And we have our new picture, and now let's do the same steps. Go to Edit Image, Shadows, Glow, Glow Effect, Size, Transparency, Blur, and change the color. I'm choosing red, and click Apply. And once again, go to Shadows, Glow, and now size 30, transparency 100, and blur 0, and click Apply. And here you go. We have quite interesting and nice effect. If you like this tutorial, click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, please check my new extensive Canva master course. You will find link below in description. See you next time.